Hello guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Extension. Today we are going to see how to install or upgrade the laptop RAM. Okay, so first of all we have to remove our laptop battery like this. The method of removing battery is depending upon the laptop. There are different types of laptops are available in the market. So after that we have to press the power button for around 5 seconds. Then we have to find out the portion of our RAM. This is our tool which is we are going to use to remove the portion of the RAM. This is our RAM portion, and this is for hard disk. So we have to open only the RAM portion. Before that we have to know that our laptop have facility to expand our RAM. If your laptop is incompatible for the upgradation or expandable RAM, then you can't upgrade your RAM. So let's start. See, this is my 4 GB RAM. I have one chip. I'm trying to remove it first. So both sides we have two clips. We need to remove like this. And this RAM have one latch. Okay, this latch. So it is very easy to match the side of the RAM. Okay, it is not any hard process, it is very simple. Then we have to press okay. Now we are trying to upgrade our RAM. This is our new RAM chip. This is 4 GB RAM. So we are going to repeat this process. Okay, this is our latch and we are going to match. Okay, then insert it and then press gently. Okay, like this. Here we done. Okay, so guys, it is very simple process. We're going to close this. So again I am telling, the first two important things are the laptop have provision to expand your RAM, otherwise you can't do it. And another important thing is what type of your RAM. There are different types of RAM available. You have to upgrade your RAM depending upon your laptop types. Okay, if your laptop supporting DDR3 or DDR4, then you require your new RAM of the same type, that is a DDR4. If your laptop is DDR4, then your RAM will be the DDR4. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.